I'm on episode 2 of All Grown Up, and I just remember like Susie always having a good voice and me always like enjoying her voice. I gotta figure out how to like dump out all this dust. I know this part opens, but I don't know. Oh, wait a second. Oh, wow. That's easy. I always like seeing all the, like when you vacuum, I always like seeing all the like stuff that comes out. There we go. That should be good. Let me just try to get out all the dust. There we go. That's easy. I like this vacuum. I also like it because it has like the blue on it. My favorite color. And I don't know, it's so weird like having my own vacuum. I mean, it's about time, but like, I don't know, I just feel like an adult. Like, I just feel like an adult now. I have my own vacuum. Anyways, so this week is study week. So no classes or anything. I just gotta like do all my assignments, catch up, and I have to work a lot this week. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, I'm just gonna be working like this whole entire week in the evening. I also gotta start making sure that I'm eating because I think I'm just malnourished. Because I don't know, just like being so busy with working, I haven't been eating, and I know I've like lost weight, and like this past weekend I like pretty much stayed home except for like Saturday. I was kind of out, but I'm trying to get back into drinking enough water, and like I think maybe Friday I was trying to get back into eating, or Saturday. It was like I got so full from breakfast, like eating halfway, and that's when I noticed like, oh Rose, you haven't been eating. Like the fact that you're full, or like you feel so like full and everything from eating just half of your breakfast, like you gotta start eating again. And I also noticed it too because like my food was going bad because I wasn't eating it, so I gotta start doing that. Oh, I feel so bad for Susie. I kind of knew the record deal was like a scam, and I felt like the woman, because like, how did the woman just appear? And it was like in the school, right? I kind of like expected for the record company to be like not actually existent. Oh no, that principal doing like performing his poetry and like people booing him. And then Chucky's dad getting in the way. He's already hurt and everything. Being wrestled up by him. Today I woke up at like 1:30 p.m. I don't know, just like my body's been so tired. And just like needing to sleep for so long. That it like throws off. Like it takes so long for me to just like wake up and like start doing things now. It's like 2 hours later, 3:14, and I just showered, and I'm gonna wash my face and everything. Took me so long to eat breakfast because I haven't been used to eating. My stomach literally got full just from eating like half a burger. So it took me like so long to finish the other half, but you know, I'll get there. I don't even think it's like seasonal depression. It could be, but I think it's just like the change in weather. Like now that it's like winter-ish or turning winter, fall. Because every year I'm like this, but I notice in the summertime and in like the spring, I don't need to sleep as long. And like I'm out and about, I'm doing things, but You know what's good about being in Canada? It's just like 4 months out of the year, I guess, for your season. So at least it's not like the full year. You know, I still wonder why they have that like red tape around that area. I wonder if it's like closed off. There's a ladybug. How'd it get in here? Wait, I want to see you. He's on Hedwig. Wait. Okay, where did he go? Oh, he's there. He's there. Wait. Oh, he's there. Oh, he kind of looks like a tomato, but like cut in half. So it's currently 10:28 p.m. right now. Just heading back to residence. Just finished work. I gotta go work like 10 hours today, no breaks, just like I guess 5.5 hours for my first job, and then I have to go straight to my second job. I'm not gonna be able to eat much today, except for when I get back. It's just like so hard because working 10 hours, I sleep for like at least 11 to 12 hours, so it just like takes up most of my day. I really don't want to do this, but I can do it. I'm capable. The work elevator is stuck at the bottom, so I have to walk down. This is my first time eating today, 10:41 p.m. And my body, it just doesn't feel good, so I don't know, the only thing appetizing for me that I feel like I could stomach is like a can or some corn. I thought I would have more time for just like myself, but working all the time, I don't have any energy. But like before I started doing all this, I told myself to at least like try it out for the first like semester till December to see if I could like balance all this, because then like after residence, instead of, if I can balance all this, instead of like finding a room to rent, I'll just find an apartment for myself. I feel like I can do it, but I just need to like balance it more. I mean better. Hey, so it's currently 12:10 p.m. Today I basically just have work at 3 and then I work till closing. But like before then, I just wanna like go through all my emails, kind of like delete everything that because I haven't like been keeping up with my emails. And then I also want to do a little bit of decorating because I haven't like been like focused on decorating my room. I'm gonna add like a couple things. I miss like having this piercing here because there used to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It used to be like all connected, but I got this like re-pierced I think like a couple months ago, along with this one and this third one, because they like closed up. But for this hole, like I kept it for a while, but it like he pierced it like too close to this part, so it was like pretty thin. So if I like slept on it, I don't know, I was just like worried that it would like create a hole, like it would hole here, or it would like rip. So I just like let it close up and everything, but I think it's pretty much closed up. I don't know how long it actually takes, but I want to get it like re-pierced soon or sometime because I miss having it. This one I sleep on actually, so I don't know if I want to still keep it. I do like how it looks, but I don't know, I just keep sleeping on it, so I think it's like tugging at it. These ones, I sleep on this one, the third one, but I'm just gonna like keep it in. This one I'll keep in, I can't take it out really. Unless if I go to like a piercing place and they actually like, and I actually ask to get it taken out. These ones I can't take out either because it's like so screwed on tight. This one I think I can take out. But yeah, I'm wearing these little crowns today. I like smaller ones just because like I have so many. So if I wear like big ones, kind of like it doesn't look as good. I don't know why, but in this like residence fridge, my food just goes bad so fast. I moved out like January, so I started buying groceries for myself then, and my groceries just never went this bad so fast. So odd. I'm on episode 3 of All Grown Up. The teacher like teaching the science is so funny. He's like, is this thing on? When he's trying to tell a joke about the grapefruit battery. I don't remember Harold being in Rugrats. Is he like a new character? So I got back from work like a little while ago. They actually gave these out today because they like ordered too much. So I got like this huge bottle.
Walking up to the hotel bar, see you've already made some friends. Take my place on your arm, but your eyes are fixed on them. Red lipstick on pink drinks, you bought around for the pretty little things. Walk away with a wink.
So it's currently 6:07 a.m. I'm on my way to McDonald's. It's actually not that like cold out today. You just need like a sweater and jacket. I'm pulling an all-nighter because I have the day off today and I just want to like edit and stuff, even though my wrists are kind of like hurting right now. So I've been craving like an iced coffee for so long, and Tim Hortons at the gas station up here at the corner, they don't do iced coffees now that it's like colder out. So I have to go to McDonald's and they open at 6 a.m. So perfect timing. Finally got an iced coffee. So happy. It's kind of like eerie being out like this early with not much going, or like not many people to see, but I kind of like it too. So I was watching the first episode of Open Gym for this season. I haven't been keeping up with the Raptors, but it makes me want to watch or keep up with it as best I can with my work schedule. I gotta like learn who the new people on the team are. It's just like nice seeing like the Raptors vlog, seeing like them goof around too. And then I also saw the who's that Pokemon video on YouTube. It's so funny, you gotta check it out. Sorry, before I go into my room, I don't want to make any noise because my roommate is sleeping. There's people literally, like there's workers picking up litter at this time, like in front of Seneca College. I'm so impressed, like so impressed.
One more final test of the fire alarm system. Please disregard all sounds and signals. It's only a test. Thank you.
I always think skipping not taking my sleep medication is a good idea if I want to pull an all-nighter and just like do everything on my to-do list. But every time, like, I get stuff done, but just like I always forget about just being in withdrawal when my body feels like it's dying at like 12:34. And then I can't take my Seroquel until like tonight, otherwise I'm just gonna be like asleep for 12 hours. Oh, my body feels so, just feels like it's dying on me. So it's currently around 8 p.m. I actually ended up taking a nap because I was just so exhausted. I don't know, my body just can't like do all-nighters anymore. If it does, if I do end up like trying to force myself to pull an all-nighter just to like get more done, then I find I just actually end up like falling asleep later in the day, or like going to bed super early. Yeah, so I ended up like sleeping for like 4 hours or 3 hours, and I feel I feel a lot better. Before I was like, I don't know, just like if you don't sleep and you don't get enough sleep, I don't know, I just get so like ramped up, and like, I don't know, I just have to like, I think earlier I was just like talking to myself, not talking to myself, but like just like going on and on and on and on about things. And now that I'm rested, I realize that I was like, it was just because I didn't sleep. This is soap, by the way. I tried to put my phone there, but like near the soap dispensers, but it just like dispensed soap, so I'm gonna wash it off in a second. Yeah, as I was saying, so I'm also in like, I don't think I should be doing all-nighters because I'm just like in Seroquel with withdrawal because I take it for sleep. So now I feel much better now that I slept, but like I'm still like super like sick, anxious, not feeling well. Also, like on a side note, I don't know, I just like find my face is like totally clear when I just basically don't eat. Like literally, like, I don't know, I've noticed that like throughout the years, like usually in times where I'm just like stressed or just like exhausted and I am in like a pattern of like just like busy, I find like I end up in these like patterns of not eating and stuff, and then like I always notice like my skin, it always like is totally clear when I just don't eat, which kind of like explains like, you know, like food really affects, or like what you eat really affects like how your skin looks. So I guess like when you don't eat, like your skin like clears up. I don't know, it must be true. So I got a bunch of food from Blue Elephant. They have like really good curries there. It's kind of like a Thai, I think it's a Thai restaurant. So I think this is the sticky rice, the honey cake, oh, I think it's cheesecake, plain rice. I think this is the shrimp devil. Smells really good. This is the pad thai, or I think, oh no, this is the red curry. I think I've had this one before. I realized they didn't give me like a bunch of the stuff that I ordered, but luckily like Uber is very good to like get a refund. So this is the shrimp devil. I love like the sauce. So I don't think this is like the curry that I ordered, but I think it's like the coconut curry. It tastes very like creamy. This is the pad thai. This is the mango juice drink. Yeah, this tastes good. Mangoes and like smoothies or drinks are always really good. Yeah, the pad thai is really good. I think this is the sticky rice. Let me try to like rip a piece. It doesn't really taste like anything, but it's like really nice and sticky. And then I think this is the cheesecake that they gave me instead. It tastes kind of like cinnamony. It tastes kind of like a cinnamon bun. So it's currently 4:30 p.m. I gotta head to work. Hopefully I'm not late. The food from Blue Elephant, it was good. I was just like missing items, which is fine. Because, you know, sometimes that happens. So it's currently 9:58 p.m. Just finished work. It was good I didn't have to do dishes tonight as closing shift. I just had to sweep. As much as like work, it like gets busy and you get tired and everything. I remember in the summertime I was only working one job and I had like too much time on my hands. Like they didn't really schedule me like a lot during the week. So I remember like during the summertime I was like wishing I could like, I guess, get more hours and everything. So I think I'm just gonna have to like figure out how to balance work a lot better, because you know, like sometimes you like wish for something and then finally it happens and then you don't like appreciate it as much. That's kind of what happened. But my coworker gave me some of her like rice and like some eggs she made. It's always like cool eating people's cooking because it like, some people know how to cook, I don't. So this tastes like way better than what I could have made.